So you spent years, maybe decades, building your IFA business. But when the time comes to sell, what actually happens next? Who do you talk to first? How do you protect your clients, your staff, and of course your legacy? In this video, I'll walk you through the real journey of a seller, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect and why this matters. For most IFA business owners, selling their firm is the biggest transaction of their professional life. It's not just about price, it's about finding the right buyer, protecting your clients, looking after your team, and making sure the business you've built continues to thrive. That's why the process needs structure, confidentiality, and expert guidance. Step 1 is the first conversation. Every seller's journey should start with a confidential conversation with a broker who represents a wide range of acquirers. No pressure, no commitment, and definitely no shoehorning. Just an opportunity to talk about your goals. So when might you want to exit? Do you want a full sale or a phased transition where you stay on post-sale? What matters most? Is it the price, culture fit, client ongoing service proposition, open architecture for existing investment mandates, or continuity of your brand? At this stage, we're simply understanding what success looks like for you. Step 2 is understanding your business. Once you're ready to explore further, we take a deeper look at your firm. We'll review key information about your client base, your revenue mix, determine whether your advice has any higher risk features such as DB pension transfers or simply vanilla advice. We'll look at the business team structure and your growth profile. This chat is designed to understand how your business would be viewed in the market, and this allows us to position your business properly and attract the right buyers. So step 3 is confidential marketing to buyers. One of the most important parts, identifying potential buyers. We approach suitable acquirers discreetly without revealing your identity, so your staff and your clients remain completely unaware. Only once genuine interest is established do we introduce parties, carefully and at the right time and with your prior approval with non-disclosure agreements in place. Step 4 is meetings and offers. When the right buyers are identified, introductions take place. So these meetings allow both sides to explore cultural fit, client philosophy, and transition expectations. If there's alignment, buyers submit formal offers, and we help you evaluate each one objectively. Step 5 is due diligence. Once an offer in principle is accepted, this is usually through heads of terms, which contains a period of exclusivity, and once this has been signed, the buyer will conduct due diligence. This is a detailed review of your business, but with experience guidance, it's smooth and well-managed process. Our role is to keep everything moving, handle communication and protect your interests throughout. During the due diligence, solicitors will start putting together the sale and purchase agreement, which contains the covenants, warranties and indemnities agreed by each party. They will also apply for change in control or a sub 15 with the FCA to obtain approval to the sale. Step 6, completion and transition. After legal completion, the focus shifts to transition. This is where staff introductions happen, client communications begin, and continuity plans come to life. A well-managed transition ensures your staff and clients feel supported and your legacy is respected. So let's look at some common questions. Sellers often ask us, how long does this process take? Will my clients be looked after? Do I have to leave immediately? The answer is every sale is structured around your objectives. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos on buying, selling and growing IFA businesses. And if selling your firm is something you're thinking about, whether that's soon or a few years down the line, feel free to reach out for a confidential conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.